Manawag Church, formerly called the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag, is among the most well-known pilgrimage destination in the Philippines. Situated in Manawag, Pangasinan, it draws countless Catholic believers who come in search of miracles, healing, and divine assistance. More than just a place of worship, Manawag Church represents faith, unity, and hope for many Filipinos. It reflects deep Catholic roots of the nation and the lasting strength of prayer. Whether people come seeking spiritual comfort or to appreciate its rich history and architecture, the church continues to serve as a sacred and inspiring site for generations.